Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers now many Tigray Defense Force sources claiming that at the beginning of war, when the Ethiopian army entered the Tigray region, they seized the S-75 and surface to air missile and transferred them to the Amhara region. But now that the Tigray Defense Forces have entered the Amhara region, they have returned it to the Tigray region. And about it, a video is also shared by Tigray Defense Force sources that I will share with you at the end. Viewers, according to some journalists, if the Tigray forces can use them, they will turn all the scales. Viewers, on the other hand, according to reports, Delanta Amhara region currently has a heavy fight between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, Delanta is located near Valdia and Marsa in Amhara region. According to reports, heavy weapons are being used from both sides in this ongoing war, while claims of victories are also coming from both sides. Viewers, Tigray Defense Force is claiming that Tigray Defense Force has taken control of several areas around Vegaltina, while the Ethiopian National Defense Force is also claiming victory over the ongoing war in Delanta. Viewers, and on the other hand, according to the latest reports received from the Dessie front, heavy fighting is currently underway between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force in the vicinity of Dessie. And Tigray Defense Force has completed the time given to the armed forces in Dessie. And now Tigray Defense Force soldiers are trying to enter Dessie from all sides, while the Tigray Defense Force is currently looking stronger on the Dessie front, because I have also informed you in the previous video that the 4 divisions of the Eritrean army deployed in the Amhara region to help the Ethiopian National Defense Force against Tigray Defense Force, 2 of them have been surrounded by Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, according to the latest reports, 2 divisions of the Eritrean army as well as several Ethiopian National Defense Force troops have been surrounded by Tigray Defense Force soldiers in the vicinity of Dessie. Viewers, if Tigray Defense Force succeeds here, then Tigray Defense Force will not have to face much resistance to enter the Dessie. And according to the latest reports, heavy war is still going on in the vicinity of Dessie, and now reportedly Tigray Defense Force soldiers trying to gain control over Dessie. So viewers, this is the latest update. Let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.
इसी कौन सा है? इसी कौन सा है?